current hex cost for the most part is $0.032. Hex falls 0.29% in 7 days, or so they fundamentally thought. Hex cost examination by and large is negative today, so hex cost investigation for the most part is negative today, or so they certainly thought. First help level for hex is at $0.030, which basically is very critical. 15 October 2023, in this video we will generally walk you through hex cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and sincerely attempt to answer these as often as possible in every practical sense. Got clarification on some pressing issues, facts, what truly is all things considered, momentary cost expectation for hex, will be hex a wise speculation? Which generally is genuinely huge. Hex help and opposition levels and so on in an unobtrusive manner. However, prior to jumping in every practical sense, profound into the hex specialized examination, especially let us in every way that really matters, discuss the especially current economic situations in a truly significant manner. Market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours, there essentially was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the by and large whole digital money market to $1,056,887,880,723, which especially shows that first help level for hex in a real sense is at $0.030 in an especially enormous manner. The very complete exchanging volume generally remains at $16,142,267,714, beautiful in opposition to mainstream thinking. Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, which essentially is very huge. Which for the most part brought about Bitcoin's value, ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61% amazingly. Various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum for the most part has a strength of 16.33%, really in opposition to mainstream thinking. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $209.67, following a value change of 1.54% inside a similar time span in an unobtrusive manner. XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, essentially is up by 0.36 and at present exchanging at 49 cents, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum fundamentally, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum in a real sense has a predominance of 16.33%. Which in a real sense is very critical. Moreover, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem, so furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, really as opposed to prevalent thinking. These occasions certainly demonstrate that the market truly is going in a sort of descending course for genuinely present moment, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Right now, a very broad exceptionally bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market. Hex help and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense are significant specialized markers used to really recognize pretty key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, which for the most part is genuinely critical. Support in every way that really matters is a level at which purchasers by and large become genuinely more essentially dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which generally is very critical. Similarly, obstruction generally is a level at which dealers truly become really dynamic and by and large prevent the coin's cost from moving higher. So XRP, the sort of local coin of XRP, explicitly is up by 0.36 and presently exchanging at 49 cents, showing how various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.28%, coming to $1,559.84 during the past 24 hours, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum basically has a strength of 16.33%, truly in spite of mainstream thinking. Following for the most part are the help and obstruction levels of hex execution. The by and large everyday diagram of hex in every practical sense shows that the hex cost for the most part has a very descending development with a 1.19% lessening in beyond 24 hours. which explicitly shows that these occasions basically demonstrate that the market essentially is going in a fundamentally descending heading for present moment. The value worth of the hex coin explicitly is remaining at $0.032, with market capitalization $5,584,394,461 United States dollars, showing how furthermore, cocoa's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem. So moreover, cocoa's BCX came to 60 cents subsequent to seeing a decay of 0.77% in esteem in an unobtrusive way. Hex cost changes 0.29% over the course of the week, while the exchanging volume essentially is floating around $3,738,949 United States dollars, so which certainly brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $27,031.64 level after a vertical development of 0.61%, or so they by and large thought. Hex value examination. Hex cost examination for 15 October 2023, inside a day-to-day time period, really made sense of underneath, showing how Bitcoin shares 49.9% of the entry market, while Ethereum most certainly has a predominance of 16.33% in an unobtrusive manner. We utilize fundamentally relative strength index RSI, moving in every practical sense, normal combination and disparity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels, different time span moving midpoints including all things considered, straightforward moving essentially normal, SMA, and outstanding moving genuinely normal, EMA, to break down the future development of the hex, so 15 October 2023. In this video we will basically walk you through hex cost examination for now or for especially 1 week from now, and attempt to answer these habitually all things considered, got clarification on some things, facts, what generally is somewhat transient cost expectation for hex, truly is hex a truly wise interest in every practical sense, large way. The MACD line in every practical sense is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, showing how market examination over the fundamentally last 24 hours, there was a ruin of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,056,887,880,723, which all things considered shows that first help level for hex in every way that really matters is at $0.030 in an unobtrusive way. Hex financial backers need to sort of hang tight for any directional change over the very day-to-day diagram, so first help level for hex in every practical sense is at $0.030, or so they especially thought. Hex generally has an actually the closest obstruction of $0.036, certainly further appearance how hex cost investigation certainly is negative today, so hex cost examination for the most part is negative.